Welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. My name's Peggy. Andy is...
behind you.
Listen, we've done macaroni dishes twice in the 2 weeks, but I have a really nice solution for those horrible box dinners that the kids love. You know, the Kraft macaroni and cheese. Read the ingredients. This is better, and it's InstantPot, and it's so much healthier for you. Okay, and it's so easy. So to help it along, I do use kettle water, 2 cups. I got this recipe from a very dear friend. I've used one of her recipes before, Adonica. You may hear us talk about Clint. Clint and Adonica. Oh, this was 3.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just go ahead. See how easy it is. Just talk and walk. 3 cups of noodles. Clint said he just adores it when his love makes these for him. So I asked for the recipe because we got the grandkids coming down soon. So there's 2 cups of water, 3 cups of noodles, 2 tablespoons of butter. Use shortening if that's your thing, like margarine.
When's the grandkids coming down?
Not soon enough.
Okay, should be ready by then.
Make sure when you're done using your InstantPot that you take off your, what do you call this?
Ring washer.
I got brain stutter. Y'all answer it in the comments for me. Anyway, make sure that it's off, washed, dried.
Silicone seal.
It's the seal, thank you. And put back into place how it's supposed to be so that you are ensuring that you are getting a proper seal. Okay, so it's as easy as plugging it in.
Lock and
Lock. Seal. Okay, and we always wait for the little pin to come up and then it lets you know, hey, it's sealing now. And I want to use... Some of the InstantPots are a little bit different on the display. I go for pressure cook, high, but I only want, ready for this, 4 minutes. So here's where we leave it alone, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, it went over time by 1 minute because I was busy. So we're going to do a quick release. And we wait until the steam, of course, is finished. And there's a little button, a little pin here. You wait for that pin to drop. When the pin has dropped, you know that you have fully expressed all the pressure. This one won't take long because it was only under pressure for 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Sometimes, well, I timed it in one of the other videos. It took 2 minutes to fully release. But this, not so much. Under a minute. Of course, you know when you have young children and mom or dad would be on the phone and then the kids start to act up and cry because they know you're occupied. As soon as we pull out the camera, Miss Suki Wookie cries for attention. Yes, you do.
Don't you, Suki, eh?
And here, just open this up.
Okay,
Always,
ready? See how it's gone down?
Always away from your face.
Yeah.
Yes, the pin had gone down. Let the steam go away from you.
Okay.
I don't put the lid on a flat surface. It's hot, so I got it so it's kind of in the middle there. Okay, that plastic stir, the pot liquor, the spatula, wasn't doing the trick. So I got the noodles all done here, stirring up. Break them up a bit. We got half a cup of milk. Doesn't matter what kind, whatever you have. And then I'm going to put this on my glasses. My goodness, cancel, okay? And now I'm going to saute. It's on high. You're only going to saute it. A little bit of salt. Only a little because Andy has his salt. I put a quarter, maybe a quarter teaspoon. Andy has his fake salt he can play with later.
Yep.
A little bit of pepper. And we're only going to stir this and have it on saute. until it looks like it might be starting to boil a little bit from the milk that we put in. Once it does, I'm going to stir in the cheese until it's all melted, and then take it off the heat and serve. So I'm going to bring you back when it starts to boil.
Okay.
Okay, started to boil, turned it off, and I'm just going to toss in my cheese. Some flung out for Andy.
Good stuff.
And you just stir this until it's melted. I'm going to put the heat back on.
Okay.
Saute.
Girls, what are you doing?
Stir until melted. That's the machine telling me it's sauteing. Here it goes. Look into that pot.
Oh, nummy, 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 nummy.
And most of you know, yeah, we're from Canada, and yeah, our milk comes in bags. We can get it in jugs, but it's cheaper to get it by 4 liters in the bag. We just added just a little, not even a 1/4 cup. That's looking good.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more. We like ours a little creamy.
Suki.
Here you go. Macaroni
good, eh?
and cheese. I think a little creamier, don't you?
Yeah.
This is a new to us recipe. Clint raved about it so much we had to try it. And I will make this for the grandkids for sure. It's so creamy. Look at it sticking to the sides and sticking to the noodles when I rub it in through. Oh, there you go. So, I'm just going to set this aside to warm. We're going to have this as a side to our barbecue dish tonight. But it's certainly something I will serve to the grandkids in
definitely.
4 minutes. Well,
Yeah.
and then it took maybe 3 minutes to...
But it's all natural. You know what's in it. That's the beauty of it.
And if Grumpy Grandpa wasn't here, I would be putting hot dogs in there. Because kids love cut hot dogs in their macaroni.
But they're not here now.
No.
And that'll be cold by the time they get here. A couple weeks. Jeez.
So I canceled taking it off the heat. And I'm just going to set it aside and warm it until our dinner's ready. But what a nice...
That is nice. Let's
Who
see.
doesn't have macaroni noodles at home, right?
Have you tried one?
And cheese. No, I didn't even taste it.
Whoa.
You want me to burn myself.
Just remember, it could be hot, 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 hot.
Oh, I think the voters would say they wanted you to... Oh, look at that.
I know, nice and juicy.
Yeah.
That'd be cheesy, juicy.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
I did have to add a little bit more milk than what the recipe was asking, but we're eating it out of the pot, eh? Because we're real hicks.
But that's okay. I forgive me. Very good. Yeah.
It is. I'll put that on the dish as a side.
Yep.
Sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on the top. We're good to go. Kids, we were hungry. Boom, you're busy, throw it in. Boom, you saw how fast that was. All right, so this is a collaboration with Michelle over at Real Life with Michelle, and she's doing hashtag Letsinstantpot. Open collaboration for everybody. It's a nice way to get your channel some more exposure, and what a nice way for the viewers. Hit the playlist and have a big selection of new and interesting dishes, or just quick ones like this that they can do with their Instapot. Go and talk to Michelle, let her know you're interested. Thanks everybody. Remember to like, comment below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you. Thank you.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bing, 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 bing.
I was leaving the ding, ding, ding for you.
Yeah, nice try. All right, see you
Thanks,
later.
everybody. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.